That's right. That's right. That judge completely dissecting the mayor's comments in that news conference, raising questions about everything from water treatment chemicals, soda ash to liquid lime, and whether the mayor is sending the wrong message by distributing water filters to pregnant moms and young children.
The federal courthouse in downtown Jackson, inside a courtroom, an unusual scene. U.S. District Judge Henry Wingate played Mayor Lumumba's entire news conference from last week. That's where the city announced the distribution of water filters specifically for pregnant women and children under 5.
Because a filter doesn't provide you any benefit if you don't have any water coming out of the tap.
The judge called a Wednesday status hearing after third-party administrator Ted Hennepin raised questions with the judge about what he said were misleading comments from the mayor and others at the news conference about the quality of Jackson's water. The mayor told the judge they are providing the filters because the state health department requires the city to send out notices to residents every 2 months. According to the health department website, any child 5 years or younger or pregnant woman in Jackson should use filtered water or bottled water for drinking and cooking. The health department mandates the notice because water samples in the first 6 months of 2021 found 3 of 160 homes in Jackson showed elevated levels of lead. Hennepin told the court the mayor's comments were, quote, factually correct and that Jackson's water is safe to drink. He doesn't believe people need to use filters because the water quality meets the federal Safe Drinking Water Act. Still, many people are skeptical.
I honestly don't think it's safe to drink.
Why is that?
From the boil water notices to the low water pressure to just the pipes being old, it's just not trustworthy.
I mean, I just can't see that. Just over this period of time of it's constantly something about the water. Then all of a sudden now the new person come in and say it's safe to drink. Nah, I don't get that.
Fair, can we get any statement from you about your testimony in court?
Thank you.
Following the court hearing, the city of Jackson and Jackson Water said in a joint statement, Jackson Water conducts extensive testing daily to ensure your water is safe to drink. Most of the testing is done right here in Jackson by highly trained Jacksonians. They care about your water quality because it's their water too.
Now, the mayor told the judge in the courtroom that he stands by his statements and that he wouldn't apologize for anything that he said. He says his goal is to build public trust in the city's water system. For now, we're live at the federal courthouse in downtown Jackson. Ross Adams, 16 WAPT News.